What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the error communicating with plugin servers you are getting when trying to use plugins with ChatGPT. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The ChatGPT plugin error is usually caused by compatibility issues between plugins, browser extensions, and browser add-ons. In some cases, your OpenAI saved cache files can also cause this error. First, relaunch the ChatGPT page while in Incognito mode. Log in with your account and see if the error persists. In case the error is not showing up, then make sure to disable some unneeded or conflicting browser extensions. Click on the extensions icon and select Manage Extensions. From here, disable all browser extensions. Refresh the OpenAI webpage and proceed to re-enable your browser extensions one by one to see which one is causing the problem. These should potentially be extensions that have access and change your ChatGPT functionality. In case the plugin error persists, then navigate to your ChatGPT plugin store and uninstall the currently used plugin before reinstalling it. This can, in a lot of cases, fix the error you are getting. Lastly, clear your browser cache to fix any temporary or local issues with OpenAI's tools. Navigate to your browser settings, in this case Google Chrome, and select Privacy and Security. Next, select Site Settings, Cookies and Site Data, and here select See all site data and permissions. From here, search for OpenAI and delete your OpenAI site data and cookies before reloading your ChatGPT webpage. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.